A New York State court has just ruled New York Democrats gerrymandered the state's congressional map. The appellate court says the legislature must implement a new map by the 30th of April. NBC's Jane Tim is following this story. Jane, tell us more about this ruling.
Hey, Jose. So the map, they say, is gerrymandered to benefit Democrats and does so in violation of the state constitution. They differed from a lower court in saying that they thought the map process, how they actually got to these maps, was actually fine because the state's independent redistricting commission sort of dropped the ball, failed to finish their work. But this does call into immediate question whether or not they can have an election on these maps. New York's primary is scheduled for June 28th, and that means that mail ballots need to go out sometime in mid-May. So we are really racing against the clock, and this case is definitely getting appealed to the Court of Appeals, the highest court here in New York, and they're going to have to weigh in. We've heard that they are expected to have a hearing as early as next week, but someone's going to need to either move the primary to accommodate new maps, or they could rule against Democrats here. But we're definitely seeing this. It's a second court ruling saying these maps are unconstitutionally gerrymandered, and this could be a big blow to Democrats nationally. They definitely secured some seats here that they need. And in other states, they've been sort of gerrymandered out of districts. And this is one state where Democrats were nationally able to get more. So they could see this could be really politically influential nationally as well as back here in New York.